Hi everybody, we are so excited. We're about to launch our April subscription box. And here's Lisa.
No, the design this time is this beautiful lace Tunisian cardigan. I've called it the Tunisian Rabiʿ Embrace Cardigan. Rabiዕ means spring in Tunisian.
Wow, that is beautiful, Lisa.
Embrace
is that?
Embrace is the yarn we're using, the colour. Yeah. And it is all with Tunisian crochet. So you're going to start at the bottom using some simple Tunisian stitches. Then all this is a Tunisian mesh stitch. Can't say that. Mesh stitch.
It's brilliant.
And then you edge it with some link stitches. And you start at the back, bring it up, bring the panels down, seam it together with a really lovely, simple invisible seam. Gives you a really nice texture on there.
That's really long.
And
can I make it shorter if I want
to? You can make it longer, shorter, wider. I've done 4 sizes.
Right, okay.
And I just thought it'd be great sort of cover all for some summer.
It looks beautiful with some linen trousers and a little white top.
Yeah, it would.
Stunning.
So it's all Tunisian. So show us what's in the box, Tim.
Right, I'm so excited with this yarn.
You need to hold something.
Yes, you might actually. We're working out.
We hold the box.
Yes, please. Yeah, we're dead organisers. So this is the Stylecraft Embrace yarn. So this is the Love You cotton yarn, and it's beautiful. Really lovely colours in it there. You can see, and that gives such a gorgeous drape.
There's the sample.
Yeah, that gives such a gorgeous drape. I absolutely love this yarn. So you'll be getting 5 balls of this.
5.
You can make the biggest size, the longest size.
Also, I've done a chart that shows you how much in your size you can make with 500 grams.
Yes. Oh, that's good. Brilliant. That would be
so easy.
Oh, so you could just make it your own way then.
Yeah.
So you're going to get a Knit Pro crochet hook. So Knit Pro hooks are wonderful. Now this is a Tunisian hook. So there's a little thread in the bottom, and you'll fasten on your cable. Now this isn't the cable you'll be getting. You're actually going to get some better ones than these that swivel, so they're really good. So you'll fasten your cable on, and this enables you to do the long rows that you do in Tunisian. Yeah. So you get those.
And the good thing about that hook is you can unscrew the cable and use it as a crochet hook.
Yeah, so you've got a 5.5 mil hook.
You'll need for the edges.
Yeah, so these are brilliant. So yeah, the cables you get in are swivels, so they're amazing, are the cables. You'll also get your Emma Ball stitch marker, your full colour pattern, the videos that show you step by step. Well, you've got these in a box basically.
Yeah, you've got me in a box. So it's
look. Yeah,
Tunisian Rabiዕ Spring.
How gorgeous is that?
And I just love the colours we've chosen. It's got pinks and blues, turquoises in. We've only got a limited number of these boxes. Yes. We've already been selling them, pre-selling them.
Yes.
To subscribers. You can either subscribe at $42.95 a quarter. We've also got a monthly subscription rate as well. And we may have a few left on standalone boxes as well, and they're $49.95.
Yeah, if you do, and I can work out the numbers for you. Yeah, if we have them available.
This is coming out the first week of April.
Yeah,
and I'm really excited about this because we've not done Tunisian before, and I really wanted to just change. There's so much you can do with crochet, so let's do something different. Yeah. Okay, so links below for ordering the subscription, or just message us and we'll get back to you very soon.
See you soon.
Let's begin your Tunisian cardigan with a foundation row and a Tunisian simple stitch on a wired hook. Now you're working on the mesh stitch. Create a light lacy body for your cardigan. Next, add your linked stitch borders for a smooth professional finish. Finally, join the underarms with a neat secure crochet connection.
It's that time again, and I get to box the April subscription box. You're going to love this one. There's 500 grams of the Stylecraft Aran Love You yarn. This is a beautiful, beautiful yarn. Now you're doing something a bit different in this one, and you're going to need a Tunisian crochet hook. So to go with your crochet hook, you're going to need a Knit Pro swivel cable. You get your Emma ball stitch marker as usual. This is a really cute one, and you get your darning needle. This is a fabulous kit. It obviously comes with your full colour pattern. You're going to have access to step-by-step video instructions, and it'll be coming to you in April. I really hope you enjoyed this subscription box as much as we've enjoyed designing it.